Explore the power of possibilities with Nichiha. Whatever the look you're after, there's a Nichiha architectural wall panel to help you achieve it. Whether you desire the sleek sophistication of Nichiha's illumination series and its nearly limitless color possibilities, or you're after the modern clean lines of Nichiha's architectural block panels, we can deliver the look you envision. From the distinguished look of our Curastone panels, to the warm appeal of vintage wood, or the crisp industrial lines of our Empire block, Nichiha has the most comprehensive line of fiber cement architectural wall panels, giving you the largest selection of product options. This animated installation video series is a new way for us to share with you our inside story and show you what's possible with our fiber cement system solution. Video number 1. Installing the first courses. Nichiha panels can be installed over a variety of substrates. This video demonstrates a metal stud wall assembly with exterior grade sheathing and weather-resistive barrier. Installation begins with our starter track. It comes in 10-foot lengths and features pre-drilled drainage holes and screw holes. Place the starter track at the base of the panel installation location. The starter track should be installed a minimum of 6 3/4 inches above finished soil grade or per local building code. When installing over a hard surface, such as a driveway or a sidewalk, a 2 3/4 inch clearance is acceptable. Locate stud framing and mark the stud locations on the weather-resistive barrier surface. Take extra care to ensure that the starter track is level. Fasten the starter track using a corrosion-resistant screw at every stud location. Nichiha's Illumination Series fiber cement architectural panels have a smooth satin finish, are available in virtually any color, and are warranted for 50 years. Begin by setting the first architectural wall panel onto the starter track. Clips are used to secure the panels at each stud location. Nichiha offers a variety of hardware for various substrates and applications. Secure the top edge of the panel with a panel clip, placing the first clip about 1 inch from the left edge of the panel. Fasten the clip at each stud location the clip reaches. Proceed along the panel to the right, placing another clip 3 to 4 inches from the end of the previous clip. Fasten the clip at each stud location. Place the next architectural wall panel onto the starter track. Set the panels and level them by tapping the edge and top with a block of wood or rubber mallet. Avoid hammering the panels directly to prevent damage. Place a clip on top of this vertical joint. Clips should always span vertical joints. Fasten at each stud location. Complete the first course installation, ensuring that there is a panel clip fastened at each stud location. Begin installing the second course by placing the first panel directly on the installed panel and fasten it in the same manner. At each vertical joint, place a vertical tab against the bottom right-hand corner of each panel. The joint tab seats inside the panel clip and is secured with the supplied fastener. Repeat this process to complete panel installation. While the Nichiha panel clip system provides stability, it also creates a clear rain screen space between the panels and the substrate. Moisture is allowed to drain safely down the weather-resistive barrier and out the drainage holes in the starter track while allowing air and vapor to circulate. For more videos and more information about our complete line of fiber cement architectural wall panels, visit nichiha.com.